Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the chart.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
For the DXY, what's going to happen next, right? I think we could expect to see price move further up from here. I think the real support, the real resistance comes around these areas. But this area is where you could see some kind of consolidation happen before more upside. So two cases, either it breaks up immediately, there's some indication that this could happen. We are at the bottom of the RSI. Arguably, this is a pin bar reversal, but I would like to see something with stronger price action where it closes above the previous candles. That would be better, but it is what it is. This is what we've got. So it is totally possible that price moves up, and our bias is towards the upside, unless proven otherwise. So now for the bear case, from these levels, it could consolidate a bit. But what we're really looking is that price would have to hold this line for the bull case to be intact. And if in the event it breaks below this line and back into the channel, then we have to reevaluate, right? Is this going to be a fake out move, or are we going to visit these levels that we so much, like we very much wanted to go to when we were here, right? It didn't happen, it broke back upwards. So let's see what the market gives us next week. It is also, I think, next week is the start of December. Very interestingly, this last week of November always gives us some kind of volatility. Next week will be particularly short, so stay nimble.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.